OPPO has officially launched its F15 mobile. So this video is for the unboxing of OPPO F15. The box is in front of us, so without wasting any further time, let's start the unboxing. The front of this mobile looks very nice. The OPPO F15 model is mentioned in the front, and the 8GB and 128GB is mentioned in front as well. If I see on the side, there is a OPPO ICI branding, and if I see on the back, there is 48 megapixel quad camera setup, and which is supported by artificial intelligence. And there is a VCC flash charge 3.0. This means that OPPO has provided fast charge technology in F15 mobile. And OPPO claims that if you connect this device with the supplied charger till 30 minutes, then your mobile is going to be charged up to 50%. And if you connect your device for 5 minutes, then you will have 2 hours of talk time. Then there is an in-display fingerprint sensor, and then there is a Full HD plus AMOLED screen. This is a very positive feature of this mobile. I have ordered this mobile in the unicorn white color, as the white color was looking very nice in the OPPO branding. So viewers, now I am going to remove the plastic cover of this mobile. Now we will find out what we have inside our box. So on the top, we have got this protective cover. And inside this protective cover, this is our SIM ejector tool. And then we have got some documentation from OPPO. This is a very average quality protective cover, but you can use it as the company is providing you for free. Here is our mobile. So I'm going to keep it aside for a while. And let's find out what else we have got. And there is a huge charger inside. And as OPPO suggested, that this charger is going to support 20 watt fast charging. And we have got the charging cable, which is type C, as you can see here, the type C charging cable. And then we have got headphones. This is a very average and standard quality headphones. Now I am going to keep all these things aside and let's review our mobile. So guys, this is our mobile. Now I am going to remove its plastic cover. So guys, this is the unicorn white color, and this is looking very attractive because there are 3 shades coming on its backside. The top one is white, the middle one is the bluish shade, and the bottom is some purplish kind of shade. OPPO has launched 2 color variants in F15, and you guys do let me know in the comment section that which color you like most. Now if I see on the right side of this mobile, there is a power button, and if I see on the left side, there are volume rockers and as well as SIM tray. And on the bottom we have got the speaker grill, the type C charging port, and 3.5mm headphone jack. And on the back side, there is the quad camera setup, the LED flashlight, and in the bottom the OPPO branding. The thickness of this mobile is 7.9mm as claimed by OPPO, and it is looking very slim. Since the battery inside this mobile is 4000 milliamperes, and that is the very reason that the mobile is very slim. Now I am going to check its SIM tray and find out how many SIM and memory card options do we have. As OPPO mentioned, that there are 2 dedicated SIM trays and a memory card tray. The front side of this mobile is Gorilla Glass 5, and the back side and the frame of this mobile is made of plastic. So this is going to be a downside and a disappointment from the OPPO, as in this price range, other companies like Xiaomi is providing a glass back of Gorilla Glass 5. So at least OPPO should consider this. Now I will quickly set up this mobile and will review further. So now the phone is set up. So first of all, I am going to review its in-display fingerprint sensor. First, I need to add my fingerprint. OPPO claims that this in-display fingerprint sensor is going to take 0.32 seconds in order to open your mobile. So I'm going to review it. As you can see, now my fingerprint is added in the system. As you can see, you need to press your finger for a while in order to unlock your device. If you will press lightly, then this is not going to work. So in order to unlock it, you need to press your finger with some force on it so that the mobile can be unlocked. If you will put your finger slightly, then this is not going to work. The screen size of this mobile is 6.4 inches diagonally, and it's a Full HD and Super AMOLED display. So a big thumbs up for OPPO. And also the pixel density is above 400, which means better image quality, better video quality. The brightness of the screen is also very good, as this is a Super AMOLED display, so you are not going to have any complaint about this. The screen to body ratio of this mobile is just fine. As you can see on the bottom, there is a very large bezel, and the front camera is coming with a water drop display, which is very older design. The loudspeaker of this mobile is just fine. Let me show you one of its ringtones so that you can analyze. Now the sound is coming from the mobile. Let me show you one more. Now I am going to review the Android version of this mobile. As you can see, the Android version is 9, but at least we should expect that OPPO is going to launch its Android 10 version in near future. The processor in this mobile is MediaTek Helio P70, and this is a 12nm processor. But I am expecting a very good performance with this mobile, and the games like PUBG and other heavy games should run on this mobile without any issue. I will try to make a separate video on its gaming and camera performance so that we can review it in detail. This mobile comes with single front camera, which is of 16 megapixel, and 4 back cameras. The main sensor is 48 megapixel and the ultra wide sensor is 8 megapixel. Then there is a 2 megapixel depth sensor which can be used while taking portrait shots. If I talk about its camera software, then it is very good. It even provides you an expert mode in which you can play around as much as you want, and you can do your manual settings and take expert photos and videos. The detailed review of its camera is not possible in this video, so I will try to make a separate video. However, I am going to show you some sample shots which I have taken from this mobile. This is all from the unboxing video. If you are new to my channel, consider subscribing and give it a thumbs up.